What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another day of trading. Today is Wednesday, January 31st. It is, 12:56 p.m. Pacific. I'm on the West Coast. So I have a couple earnings trades that I was looking into, but it turns out I will probably just be placing Peloton. So let's put that on before the close, see if we can make any rolls before the close as well, and let's get to it. So here's Peloton. I've been burned big time in the past. So this is the 5-year chart weekly. So I've been burned. So initially what I was thinking to do, let me put it on the daily. Initially what I was thinking to do was sell the 5 put expiration this week. The only thing is I'm concerned that I'll get burned. So I'm thinking about going out in time and doing the 4.5 because this gives me about 20% downside protection. Basically, I need a down move of 20% just to touch my short strike. So the alternative here, you'll see on the 2-day cycle, I collect slightly more premium, 18 cents at the 5 level. I'll probably get a bigger IV crush here, but we're talking maybe a few pennies because it's such a small stock. I would rather, instead of 18 cents, let me go to the 4.5 put. Let me collect 15 cents, 3 cents difference. And, I might make a profit of a few cents less, a few pennies less. So let me just ship this off. And I'm going to let it sit, see if we can get it filled. I don't want to really take less than 15 cents for that. So let's see, do I need to make any adjustments here? Save, TLT. No, okay, cool. IWM. We actually got a decent down move back, so I'm a little bit more centered between my Iron Condor. Let's see here. You know what, guys? Let me see if I can get filled on this Peloton. Sometimes, okay, let's see. Sometimes if I resend the order, it fills, but we're running out of time. Fine, let's do 14 cents. It's gonna hurt my heart to do it, but let's do it. Filled at 14 cents. Let's see, guys. Let's see how it goes. I've been burned by Peloton in the past, but let's see how things go. I'm optimistic. Worst case scenario, I keep rolling or I lose a few $100 and then that's the end of the story. All right, guys. So quick portfolio review. I don't think I'm going to make any other adjustments because I don't think there is much for me to do. So let's just do a review and go down the line. So let me start first. What's interesting. Let me do my trade review. I put on an earnings trade the other day for Teva. So at the close, yesterday, right before the market closed, I put on the 13 call, 10.5 put, so I strangle. So we didn't get much of a move, so we moved up to the $12.11 level. So I was at 10.5. Let's see, what were we? 10.5 and 13. 10.5, 13. Not much of a movement. So if you see here my options chain, I closed for a $16 profit. Obviously, after commissions, it was $14 or so, but still, quick overnight move. So just trying to hit singles and doubles here with the small account. I'm not trying to go for the grand slam or even a home run. So this was pretty easy. I closed it for 6 cents. There it is, closing bell. So I bought it back for 6 cents. If I wanted to do that same trade today, guys, or now, in the afternoon, 1 penny. So I would have made an extra 5 cents. Even if I paid up to the a little bit above, okay, 2 cents. So I would have made an extra $4 total. I'm kind of bummed about it, but you never know. I wanted to take it off. I'm not gonna leave the black swan potential just to collect an extra 4 cents. It's not worth it to me, guys. So that's that for Teva. I was interested yesterday in selling the strangle. I think what I was going to sell was so yesterday we were at, I think it was closer to 11.5. 70 cents. I would have made more money selling the selling the straddle here, but you live and you learn, guys. You live and you learn. So maybe when I get a little bit more buying power in this account, once my account value is a little bit higher, I will try doing some straddles for earnings, see how that goes. So Teva, we're done. So FXI, not much to do here. We're a little skewed. So let's see the chart here. We're skewed a little bit to the downside. Once I put this on, if not maybe like a week ago, so the 23rd. So we've just been trending downward. I might possibly roll this down from the 25.5 down to the 24. I just want to leave myself enough room for the upside in case we get a bounce back. I don't want to get whipsawed too hard. So right now I'm going to let this sit. So let's see here. Even if I wanted to bring it down to the 24, I collect 16 cents. Okay, so another day, another dollar. Let's check it out tomorrow. Intel, this is the one that had just been eating me alive. So if you remember, I started with an iron condor for earnings trade, and then I rolled out in time to a put spread to keep the trade alive. So you'll see here right now, there's an 18 delta on the call side, so 82 delta on the put side. So the markets are telling me there's not a huge chance that we'll get the move back up to the 46, but you never know, guys. I've seen a lot of things surprise me. All right, guys. So you see here, this is my break even at $45.26. I don't know if Intel will make it back up there anytime soon in the next 2 weeks. I might just roll out in time again and widen out my put spread, because you'll see here I basically started with an iron condor, rolled to a put spread after earnings. I rolled out in time and widened my put spread, So rather than $1 wide put spread, made it $2 wide. I might roll out in time again and make it a $3 wide spread, but I probably won't go beyond that just because my buying power is still pretty low and I'm still trading like a $2,200 account. So for now, we're going to let it sit and see if we get any moves back up to the upside. IWM, I don't want to make any moves. We're going to keep IWM as is. Peloton, this is what we just put on. Let's just update the chart if we want to. I can throw on the $4.50 price level in case we need to make any rolls. It'll be easier to see visually, quickly, and then time level. Boom, done. On to the next. Peloton, let's see. I'll put on a working order for $2 or 2 cents, I should say. Good till canceled, in case I can't get to the computer before the open. Save, again guys, save. We're going to sit tight. I basically rolled it out in time. I think we're good. I think we're good for now. We got a % down move, which is not much on a $6 stock. So let's sit tight. Let's see where it is. Or let's see where it goes, rather. And then TLT, I think we got the move that we were looking for. So now I'm actually starting to get worried that I didn't give myself enough room on the upside. So right now, so I was rolling. So all of these are rolls, okay? So I was rolling and rolling and rolling. And now I need to decide, do I want to get out for a scratch or still collect 50% of my initial premium collected? I don't know. Let's see how the next few days go, but we're working with it. I told you guys from the beginning I was bullish on TLT, man. I was bullish, and sure enough, I was aggressive with my roll down, but you never know. Hindsight is 20/20, as they say. All right, guys, that's it for my trade review. Hope you enjoyed what you saw. As always, any questions, comments you have, put them in the comments down below. Any trade ideas, anything you're working on. I love learning with you, as I hope you love learning with me. If you haven't yet already, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a beat. And if you did enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up so I know I am doing a good job. Thanks guys, until next time, take care.